Hey YouTube family, how's everyone doing? In this video, this long awaited video, it's all about the blushes. So, like I said before in a lot of my other videos, I have been on a journey to try and transition all of my current makeup over to more healthier alternatives, more green beauty makeup products that are healthier for my skin. So now I'm in the transition phase for my blushes. Recently I bought the Blac Minerals, their entire blush set. They have the sample sizes. It's $2 per sample size, 7 blushes in total. So I got 7 samples, basically $14 free shipping. Really inexpensive. So I will link the company's website, Blac Minerals, down below, and I'm going to show you the different blushes that they have, swatch them all for you, and let you guys know what I think. Alright, let's go. This is Apricot. Apricot is really pretty. It is dusted on very lightly, and it is just the ever so sheer, really pretty pigmentation. Apricot, really pretty. Without the blush, with glow. This one is very beautiful also. It's hard to see it in the camera light, but it is more of a gold town brown skin color, and because my skin is already brown, it's hard for it to show up on the camera, but in person it's really a very light flush of, it basically illuminates kind of your own skin in that area. So it's more of an illuminating color on a brown skinned person like me. So this is without it. This is my without any blush, and this is the side with the glow. No blush with the glow. Here is Toasty. This is more getting in towards your reddish orange color. So Toasty is right here. This is with nothing. And this is with the blush. So nothing and with the blush. And this one, like I said, is Toasty. This one here, oh, my cheeks are so tired, they're on fire. But this one here is Adobe. This is more in the brick red family, brick red or dirt red kind of family. Adobe. More of the rich dirt kind of color. This is nothing, and this is Adobe. This is Current, and this is one of the bolder colors. This is no joke. This one is really pigmented, you guys. A little bit of Current goes a long way. So this is more of getting into the richer red tones. And this is it right here. This is my face with nothing, and this is with Current. And I don't think I would wear it this much, this dramatic. I would probably lightly apply it, but this color right here is gorgeous. This is Current. So this is Plum. This is more towards the purple tones. This is one of her darkest colors, and this is definitely brown girl friendly, but this is more towards the purple, more richer royal purpley tones like a plum. So this is Plum. So this is without anything, and this is with Plum. Without any blush, with blush, and this is Plum. This color is Hush. It's also a very light color, more towards the lighter side, and it's on this side right here. So this side, no blush. This side with the blush, Hush. Now with Hush, I don't know if it is discontinued because I no longer see it on her website, but I was able to get it. So this is Hush. It's very light. As you can see, I just went through my entire face showing you guys the entire 7 blush sample. Well, now it's 6. I only see 6 on her site, but I received 7 before. I guess one color, Hush, is possibly discontinued or out of stock. but my poor cheeks are on fire. But I did it all for you guys. Some of the colors are very light. They're more visible in person as opposed to on camera. However, I still try to show it to you anyway. I actually would wear all of them. The only one that I'm a little bit hesitant about is Hush, because it's such a pale color that it can possibly look ashy. It can possibly come off on the ashy side if you apply too much to a brown girl like me. However, all the other colors, every single one of the other ones, I would rock regularly. They're all brown girl friendly. Their staying power are very good. They last all day. To remove them, I really had to use coconut oil and put it on my face to remove each batch. So even though I tried to remove it with the wipes or a paper towel, they really stayed on. So I had to apply some oil to remove them, to apply each one. So my skin is raw. So thumbs up for my poor cheeks under fire for doing this for you guys. Thumbs up to that. But the company Blac Minerals, I'll leave the link for their company down below. This is not a sponsored video. This is products that is bought with my own money, not sponsored at all. But I honestly love the products. I honestly love wearing the products. I honestly love supporting her business. So let me know which one you thought was your favorite. Which one would you wear? And do you currently own any Blac Mineral products? What do you like? More makeup videos should be coming. Thumbs up, like I said, if you like these videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the love. And make sure you guys are enjoying your journey, alright? Oh, that is gone.